Hey, I'm Tom Efinger, Creative Director at Red Hook Post. I've been sound editing and mixing for many years on projects for companies like HBO, Netflix, and A24. Today I'm going to be showing you the basic tools you need to get started as a sound editor. We're just starting the YouTube channel, so it would be a big help if you'd like, comment, and subscribe down below. I have the luxury of working in a studio, in a quiet, acoustically treated room on quality reference monitors, but I also have a mobile editing system for when I'm not in the studio, and a lot of sound editors work on very basic systems. Hey, so I know a lot of you may have been getting started working in programs like GarageBand and listening on your computer speakers, but that's really not going to cut it if you want to start building your skills and experience towards working as a pro. A basic package consists of a computer, Pro Tools software, a quality pair of over-ear headphones, and access to a sound effects library or service. The first thing you're going to need is a computer. The good news is you don't need the fanciest computer to run Pro Tools. A lot of computers, even 5 to 10 years old, might work just fine. You can check on avid.com for compatibility requirements. For example, I have a 2016 MacBook Pro that I use as my mobile editing system. Both laptops and desktops are good, so just check and see how your machine stacks up. The industry works on Pro Tools. There are currently 2 versions of Pro Tools software available. There's Pro Tools and Pro Tools Ultimate. Pro Tools, the regular version, is a great place to start and is a very complete program with loads of in-depth features. Pro Tools Ultimate will give you higher track counts, advanced mixing automation, and the ability to work in surround. You can always upgrade to Pro Tools Ultimate later if you want or need these features. The next thing on our list is headphones. As a sound editor, it's incredibly important to be able to listen at the highest quality possible. Now, if you can be in a studio with great speakers, that's awesome. But a decent pair of headphones is a great tool, and in some ways will allow you to listen even better than speakers. There are several great pairs of headphones ranging from around $90 to $150 a pair. One of the studio standard headphones is the Sony MDR 7506. These are a great choice. They're solid, affordable, and relatively flat sounding, meaning they don't have too much bass, mid-range, or treble. Some other great headphone options are the Audio-Technica ATH series. Also, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro is a great pair, as well as the Sennheiser HD 280 Pro. These are all excellent. The last thing you'll need is access to sound effects services or libraries. Synchronizing sound effects is an incredibly important part of what we do in audio post. Ambience to fill out backgrounds, hard effects for things we see in picture, and design effects are all incredibly important to building out a soundtrack. You're going to need to be able to access a large variety of effects in order to work effectively in audio post. Some of the best services that I like are Soundly.com, ProSoundEffects.com, and SoundDogs.com. These are just a few. There are several others, and you can do your own research to see what else is out there. These services provide the ability to buy individual sound effects one by one, or if you get a full subscription, you can access and download a virtually unlimited amount of effects. Links to everything we talked about in this video will be in the description, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.